Hello, Mosh Bari here. Welcome to this video. In this video, you will learn how you can make $1,000 a day using a classic method. So we will come back to that one by one. Before that, I have a good news. The good news is you're going to get my premium software 100% free, link in the description as always. But why am I giving you this software? There is a story. The story is as we are progressing with our YouTube channel, our views are getting higher and higher. So I made a video about my views on the channel. In last 28 days, it was 10,000 views, and today it's within just very short time it's 13,000 views. You can see on the screen we have 91.5 thousand impressions means the people, the eyeballs that looked at our thumbnail or had a glance of our video. They didn't open, but they saw our video. So our videos reach to 91,000 people organically. This is the awesomeness. Okay, so YouTube did that because we tried to push harder to improve our content and publish regularly. Okay, so impression click-through rate 5.9%, which is not so good, but it's better than the average, and it already increased from our original percentage to 16% increment. Okay, total views 13.1 thousand, and unique viewers, that is amazing number, 7.1 thousand unique viewers. So these are the people who never watched our videos before. They're not our old customers, our old audience. They're the new audience came from you. Thank you, YouTube. Did you like our video so far? If yes, hit the like button, subscribe, and switch on the notification bell button, as this way YouTube will notify you as the most important viewer when we will upload our next video. And as usual, our next video will come with free softwares, free ideas of how to make money online. Now, they are all about videos because we kept on publishing videos. In the videos, I am present, but my customers, my viewers, I know a lot of them hate to be in front of the camera, and that's where my premium software, free for you, link in the description, is coming in. So what does this software do? This software writes a script for you. It imports media files from any URL or royalty-free sites or from your hard drive, and it provides voiceover for you. So you literally don't have to do anything yourself to create video. Just need to plan what you want to do and let the application do its job. But that's not the best of the best part. That's not all. What's more is that when we shoot videos, we have to shoot in segments, and then we edit those segments, put them together, make one long video. But for you, you don't have to use any editing software because the software, my software, allows you to shoot videos or create videos in segments or sections as you want. And then you can just one click of a button, they will be compiled together in one video, rendered in the cloud, and you can push them to YouTube or Vimeo, or even share with your friends and family or anyone you want using Google Drive, Amazon S3, or Dropbox, all from one dashboard. It's free. Go get it. Okay, now in case you don't like videos or you want to go to our path using editing software, etc., this is where we wanted to share some extra information so you can actually make money. But don't worry, stay till the end of the video because this is not really about video making. This came from the story, but it's not about video making. It's far better and easier. So stay tuned. We wanted to share our secret. The secret, I already told you, we make video, but we use a premium software free because they give free options, and that is the DaVinci Resolve. And the DaVinci Resolve is Hollywood level software. The Hollywood studios and other professional big cinema studios use this software for color grading. Okay, this is way too far. We shifted completely to the DaVinci Resolve, and we do everything in the DaVinci Resolve. But because we use it for free, we wanted to share with you that there are so many other softwares, video creating and editing softwares available online that you can use for free and just make money like us. Okay, so we searched on Google about free video creator software, and I found one results on the first page. It's oberlo.com that gives you 27 best video editing software programs in 2021. So I came here, and this is an amazing article, really amazing, really long, really big. Okay, so I thought, okay, Oberlo. Do you know what is Oberlo? It's a software company. They sell software for basically Shopify, and it's a very popular company. But this website, particularly Oberlo.com, is not exactly about that software. It's a blog itself, and it has over 3.5 million monthly visitors. Wow! So I kept on looking. Oh my God, they have most of their traffic coming from search engine, which means Google. So what do? I looked at their content. I found two. Number one, it's an amazing content. Number two, this content is about, look, let's go on top, 27 best free video edits of 27. This is not just an article. It's called listicle. I mean, it's a list type article. The benefit of list type article is you can go and create the content using small chunks. So if it is 27 free video editing software, then each video software will take a little bit of tiny bit of content, right? So you don't really have to make a long content about one piece of topic. It's 27 different softwares. They have 27 different things to say about each software. That made the whole content very long and added a lot of value. So people love this content and they go through from one topic to another topic, one article to another article, one listicle to another listicle, and that turns this website into an authority website in front of Google. And Google see, oh my god, people are staying a lot of time on this website, so this must be an authority website. They push their content on top and you can see their traffic. Wow, this much traffic, like over 3.5 million, and over 50% traffic coming from searching. Remaining people already know about them, so 37% traffic coming from there. Now talking about this type of content which is listicle, I thought today's video should be about listicle so you can make money for free. Stick to the end of the video. We are going to the content creation, but I will end up in free software that will make the whole content creation easy and it will make you $1,000 a day. So stick to the end of the video. For listicles, the number one well-known website is called Buzz. So if you go to buzzfeed.com, you'll see these kind of content everywhere, and they pay their content writers based on the number of clicks generated on the content. Now this is getting very interesting. Look at their top content, top shared content. Now before that, let me go here, okay, on SimilarWeb. That will make it interesting. They have 108 million monthly visits. This is amazing, okay, and very steady number of visitors. Most tier 1 traffic, and here is what it getting interest. They have a lot of direct traffic, so their fans are coming back to them over and over. They have referrals. Wait for it, I'll give you a surprise. But Facebook drives them 26% of their traffic, so approximately 26 million monthly visitors comes from social media, and most of their traffic from social media are from Facebook. Now let's go to their most popular content on social media, and it is 60 pictures that warm my heart no matter how many times I have seen them, and it has 126,000 social engagement. The total likes 115,000, shares 7,600, and comments 2,800 only on Facebook. Forget about Twitter and Pinterest, only from Facebook. So this is the content, okay? It looks really simple and easy. They're taken from YouTube videos, they're taken from other social media, they are memes, they are screenshots of chats, they're photos from other people. It literally is a curation of collected images and absolutely nothing else. Look at this. There is no content, no text, nothing at all. Only screenshots. Now, how much money BuzzFeed is making from this kind of content? This is where I told you that I'm going to show you an interesting thing. It is a secret. If you go to the referral section of BuzzFeed, you will find them as the second. All their traffic are going to Amazon.com and other places, of course. Etsy, Google, Reddit, course, Amazon and Etsy, which means BuzzFeed is one of the top affiliate of Amazon, and it's cool. So this is how BuzzFeed is making money. BuzzFeed is also making money from Google AdSense. Look at this, all these advertisements are Google Ads. Now let's come to how can you write content and make money. How content will make you money. Traffic will make you money. You should put all of them into your mailing list. How? Use opt-in. Let me show you Oberlo. Let's go back to Oberlo for a moment. And you want to become a member, you want to do anything at all. Let's say you to see the courses, if they have any courses. The first thing they will ask you to do is to create a free account. So when you click here, they will ask for your email, first name, last name, password, confirm password. These are not really important. What important is they want your email address. Why? Because when you give them your email address, they can send you email, they can communicate with you, they can build relationship with you by sharing more and more content. And in the future, anytime they ask you to buy something, you will buy. They will ask you to click on the ads, you will click, and they will make money. So building list is the most important thing in any kind of online business, whether it's content based or selling something, not selling something, whatever you do, build your list. For that, don't worry, you don't have to build opt-in page like this, or you don't need a lead magnet, or you don't need even traffic. My software link in the description will help you build opt-in page on any PDF, and that PDF will turn into your lead magnet, and it will also drive referral traffic 100% free. The software is free, link in the description, go get it. Now let's consider you started making content and you want to make money, or you want to consider creating content from your website and you want to make more money from the content. How do you make money? Of course, affiliate marketing, AdSense, videos, etc are there. But once you start creating content, a wide door of profit will open for you. Google websites that pay for content, or websites that pay for content. The first one is a 21 amazing site. Okay, there are so many other websites, up to 100 and even more, will pay for content. And the first result, jeffbullas.com, 21 amazing sites that will pay you $100 per article. So if you sell one article to 5 sites, you make $500. 10 sites will make you $1,000. Easy peasy. But that's only for selling your content to other people. I'm not talking about making money from your own website. And once you start creating content, you can sell it on Fiverr, you can sell it on other freelancer sites. The most importantly, you will build a foundation of driving traffic from all different sources. Social media like BuzzFeed, Google like Oberlo, YouTube just like us, and like hundreds of thousands of video creators. So sky is the limit of what you can do, how much traffic you can get, how much money you can make in many different ways only by creating content. Now okay, let me help you make content. Now you see on the right side of my screen 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 PDF files. What are they? They are content creation templates, and they are premium templates, they are paid templates. I don't have the right to share with you for free, but I wanted to give you something for free, and that is why I'm going to share my software that will give you the templates. Fill in the templates and you will get your contents ready. Super simple. Also, link in the description will give you AI software that will help you write your content using artificial intelligence. The best part, there is a trick to get this software free. Link in the description, go get it. Well, that is it for today. I hope we have shared awesome value with you that will help you make easy peasy $1,000 a day. All you have to do is to start anywhere. Start from YouTube, start from writing content, listicles, use my software, sell on freelancer sites, use on your own content or your own websites, share with the world. Always build list of subscribers. Give away everything for free. Let them know, let them learn, let them know that you are a good person who want to help your audience, and they will come back to your content over and over again. That's what we are doing on YouTube. YouTube is helping us, and our viewers are loving our videos and our other contents. Link in the description will give you my software is free. Solve all your problems regarding traffic and making money. Go get them and use them. Did you like our video? We put a lot of effort on it. We want you to make money using the power of internet, using our softwares. All the links are in the description. So if you want to support our channel, we really want you to support our channel. Please hit the like button, subscribe, and switch on the notification bell button, as this way you support our channel and we grow, you grow with us, and this way you get notified first when we will upload our next video. And we will see you in the next video.